virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Subject is maths of standard 4th and name of the topic is multiplication part 2. Yes, dear children, this is part 1 of this chapter. Yes, you know this is the multiplication sign, isn't it? Yes, whenever we want to find out how many times the number is repeated or anything that we want to know about the number of times it came again and again, then we go for multiplication. Isn't it? How many times? Here we will calculate by using multiplication. Isn't it? In first term we have gone through the multiplication of 2 digits and 3 digits. Isn't it? Now today we will go through the multiplication by vertical method. Okay? Multiplication by using lattice method. Yes, dear children, this method we have learnt already in first term, isn't it? Now we will take a quick recap of this one and then we will proceed to the vertical method. Here we will multiply 26 by 9, that is 2-digit number by 1 digit. Okay. Now here how we will take 26? Here we take 26 as 20 plus 6, means its expanded form we will use. Isn't it? In lattice method we do like this. Okay, we will make a table. Here we will write 20 and 6. Okay, here multiply by 9. So 9 we will write here and multiplication sign. Got this? Did you remember? This we have done already in the first term. Okay, now we will find out the answers for these numbers. Here, first 9 into 20 or 9 2s are 18 and one more 0, that is 180, isn't it? Then 9 6s are 54. We got 2 answers. Now what to do now? Here we will add 180 and 54. So the answer is nothing but the answer for 26 multiplied by 9. Isn't it? Here 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 we will write here. 1 is carried over. Then 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 26 multiplied by 9 is nothing but 234. Correct? This is 2-digit number multiplied by a single digit by lattice method. One more we will go through. 2-digit by 2-digit. Okay? That is 44 multiplied by 60. Here we will take 44 as, 40 plus 4 and 16 as 10 plus 6, because 6 in the unit place and 1 in tens place. Here also 4 in the unit place and this 4 in tens place. So it became 40 and this became 4. Correct? Now we will make a table. Now we will write here 40 and 4 and here 10 and 6. Right? Multiplication sign. Now we will find out the answer for these multiplications. See here. Okay, first we will go for 10 multiplied by 40. Simple method is 10 4s are how much? 40. So 10 fours are 40 and one more 0, that is 400. Now here 10 fours are 40. Now 6. Okay, 6 fours are 24 and one more 0, that is nothing but 240. Yes, 6 fours are 24. Right? Now we will add all these numbers. That is, we will take 400 plus 240, correct? 40 and 24. We will put plus sign here. Okay. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is nothing but 4. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, that is 10. So we will write 0 here, 1 is carried over. That is 1 plus 4, that is 5, plus 2 is nothing but 7. So our answer is 44 multiplied by 16 is equal to 704. Correct? Now carry out the following multiplication. Now dear children, we will move to the vertical method. First we will try to do single digit by using single digit multiplication. That is by using the tables. Okay, one digit number by one digit. See here, 8 multiplied by 4, 9 multiplied by 3, 9 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 4. Yes, you know the tables for 1 to 20, isn't it? So it is very easy to find out the answer for these multiplications. That is 8 fours are 32. Correct? 9 threes are, yes, you are right, 27. 9 twos are 18. 5 fours are 20. Right? This is called vertical method because we are writing the numbers one below the other. Correct? 8 is up and 4 is below 8. Here standing method, that is vertical method. Now we will move to 2-digit multiplication by 1 digit. I will take the same number, that is 26 multiplied by 19. Okay, but here we will follow vertical method. See, this is our table, unit, tens and hundreds place. Right? Now we will write 26, 6 in the unit place and 2 in the tens place. Yes, multiplied by 9. This is in unit place because single number is there. Right? Now 9 6 are how much? Yes, 9 6 are 54. Correct? So we will write here 5 and 4. 54. But we can't write two numbers in single column, that is the 4 is in unit place here. Correct? I will write here 4 in unit place and 5 in tens place. So 5 will move to tens place. Correct? So 5 is carried over to the tens place. Got this, children? Am I fast? 5 is carried over to the tens place. Okay. Now only 4 remained here in the unit column. Now we will multiply 9 and 2. So 9 twos are how much? 18. Isn't it? Now we have to add 5 to 18 because 5 is already there, isn't it? So 18 plus 5 is equal to 23. Here in the tens column we will write 23. But again here we can't write this 23 in single column. Here 3 is in tens place and 2, this is 100. Correct? So it will move to hundreds place. Means it is carried over to 100 place. So nothing is there. So 2 will come down. Correct? Now we got the answer, that is 26 multiplied by 9 is equal to 234. Same answer we got from lattice method also. Yes. we will move to next one. Multiplying 2-digit numbers by 1 digit. One more we will try. So we will write unit tens and hundreds. 2 in the tens place and 5 in unit place. Multiplied by 8. Now first 8 5s are unit into unit. Correct? 8 5s are how much? 40. Okay, 40 we will write here. 4 is here 40 again. See here 0 in unit place and 4 in the tens place. So 0 will remain here and 4 is carried over to the tens place or tens column. Okay. Now 8 2s are how much? 16. Now 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Right? 20 we will write here. Now you know that this 0 will remain in the tens place and 2 will carried over to the hundreds column. And nothing is there, so 2 will come down. Right? So the answer is 25 multiplied by 8 is equal to 200. Isn't it? This method is very easy. Directly we get the answer here. Right? This is called vertical method. Okay. Now we will move to multiplying 3-digit numbers by 1 digit. Okay. Here we will take 104 multiplied by 5. What to do now? First we have to make a table. Here we will write units, tens and hundreds. Now what we will do? 104 we will write like this. You know the place values of 104, isn't it? Multiplied by 5 we have to write in the unit place. Got this? Okay, now we'll start the sum. 5 4s are 20. Correct? We will write here 20 and 2 is carried over to the tens place, that you know. Right? Now 5 multiplied by 0. 5 zeros are how much? 0. Very good. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2. Here we have to add this 2. Correct? So 0 plus 2 is nothing but 2. Now 5 ones are 5. Correct? Here we got the answer. See here 104 multiplied by 5 is nothing but 520. Okay? One more we will go through. Multiplying 2-digit numbers by 2 digit. See here. Example is 56 multiplied by 29. Be careful here. Here we have taken 4 columns. Units, tens, 100 and 1000 column. Okay, you know that after 100,000 column will be there. Okay, now we will write according to the places of these numbers. 5 in the tens column and 6 in the unit column. Right? Multiplied by 9 in unit column and 2 in the tens column. Remember this? How we have written? Please go through this properly. Okay. Now first we will multiply by 9 to 56. Then we will multiply 56 by 2. Okay. See here, slowly we will go. Now first what we have to do? 9 multiplied by 6. 9 6 are how much? 54. Isn't it? Here we will write 54. But you know that 4 will remain here and 5 is carried over to tens place. Yes, dear children, here I have drawn 2 rows. 2 empty rows you can see here. Why this is so? Because when we multiply the given number by unit, okay, then what? The carried over numbers we can write in this column. Sorry, in this row. Okay, see here 56 multiplied by 9. We get 54 and double numbers we will get. Then the carried over numbers we will write in this row, first row. Okay, see here 6 9 the 54, right? 4 will remain here. 5 will move to tens place, correct? So we will write here. See, this is carried over after multiplying by units. Okay, now see here. Then 5 nines are how much? 45. 45 plus 5. How much? 50. This you have to remember. Okay. 45 plus 5, that is 50. So here we will write 50. And again 0 will remain here. 5 is carried over to hundreds place. Right? So nothing is there, then we will write 5 down. Okay. Now here multiplication of 56 and 9 is over. Right? Now in the next step we are going to multiply 56 by 2. 2 is in tens place, isn't it? So we will put 0 in unit place. This is unit column, isn't it? Nothing to do with the unit column. So here we will put 0 first. Now we will move to 2 6 are. How much? 2 6 are 12. Right? Here we will write 12. Now dear children, here 2 will remain here and 1 will be carried over. Where to write now? Yes, here in this row we can write the carried over after multiplying by tens. See here. Okay. This row we will use to write carried over numbers. 1 is carried over to hundreds column. Got this? Okay. Now 2 is here, 1 is here. Now we will move to 2 5s are. 2 5s are 10 plus 1. That is 11. Okay, this you have to remember. We have to add this 11. So we will write 11 here. 1 will remain here. This is carried over to thousands place. Right? Now here nothing is there. No numbers are there. So 1 will come down. We will write here. Now see the next step. Here we got 504 when we multiplied 56 by 9. And we got 112 when multiplied 56 by 2. Right? So if we want the answer for these two digits multiplication, then we have to add these two numbers. Whatever we got. Okay. Now we will add this 4 plus 0, that is 4. 0 plus 2, that is 2. 5 plus 1, that is 6. Here 1. Correct? So the answer for 56 multiplied by 29 is nothing but 1624. Got this, children? Yes. Very good. We will solve one more sum of this kind. 94 multiplied by 25. See here. Unit, tens, hundreds, thousands place. Okay. 4 and 9 in unit tens place. 4 in unit place and 9 in tens place multiplied by 5 unit 2 tens. Now we will start. 5 fours are 20, isn't it? So 0 will remain here, 2 will be carried over to the tens column. See this first row for carried over after multiplying with the units. Okay, so we will use this first. Okay, now 5 fours are 20, 2 here. Okay, then 9 fives are or 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 2, that is 47, isn't it? Okay, 4 will be carried over to hundreds place. Now nothing is there, so we will write 4 here. Correct? Now first step is over. Now we will multiply 94 by 2 tens. So first we will put 0 here in the unit column. Okay. So 94 multiplied by 2, that is 2 4s are 8. 2 9s are 18. Okay, now here 1 will move to thousands place. 1 is carried over to thousands place. See here, we have to use this row. Got this? Because we are multiplying the given number by tens. So the upper row we will use. Now 1 we will write down here. Okay, now addition of these two numbers. 0 plus 0, that is 0. 7 plus 8. How to do? 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. Okay, 1 5, 15. Here also we got the carried over. Here also we got two numbers. So 1 is carried over, we will write here. Okay, now 4 plus 1, that is 5, plus 8, that is 13. Again two numbers we got here. 1 is carried over to the thousands column. Now we have 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Yes, dear children, what is the answer now? 94 multiplied by 25 is nothing but 2350. Got this? Okay. Now here one problem sum is there. If one dress costs rupees 150, how much do 9 such dresses cost? Yes, you know this is multiplication because we have to count the same amount for 9 dresses. Means 150 will repeat 9 times. So what we will do? 150 multiplied by 9. 3 digit multiplied by a single digit. Correct? See, if one dress costs rupees 150. This is a dress of a baby. What is the cost of this one dress? That is rupees 150. How many dresses we need? 9 dresses. So we are going to multiply 150 by 9. Correct? Here we will write unit, tens, hundred, thousand. Now you know that 150 how to write here? 0, 5, 1. Same procedure we are going to follow, but only the sum is given in statement. Now multiplied by 9. Where to write 9? In hundreds place or tens place or in unit place? Yes, very good. In unit place because that is a single digit. Correct? Now very simple multiplication. 9 into 0, 0. When we multiply any number by 0, we get the answer 0. Remember this, okay? Now 9 5s are how much? 45. Now what to do now? Yes, 4 is carried over to hundreds place and 5 will remain here. Correct? Now 9 1s are 9 plus 4 how much? 13. Correct? 1 3 13. 1 is carried over to thousands column. So nothing is there. Let us take this one down. Okay. Now we got the answer. Right? Means if one dress costs rupees 150, then the total cost of 9 such dresses will be rupees 1350. Right? Got this? Here you have to write the answer like this. The total cost of 9 such dresses will be rupees 1350. You can write rupees like this, RS, or you can write rupees like this also by using the symbol. Okay? Got this? One more sum we will try. If 356 trees can be planted on 1 hectare of an orchard, how many trees can be planted on 7 hectares? Yes, this is the measurement of a land, hectares. Okay, what to plant here? Trees. How many trees? 356 trees can be planted on 1 hectare. In that hectare area. Okay, and 10 hectares of land. Yes, again here multiplication, isn't it? So 356, that is 3 digit by 7 means 1 digit. So we will make a table. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, here we will write 356 multiplied by 7 in the unit place. Okay, we'll start. 6 sevens are, yes, how much? 42. Correct? You should know the tables properly. While doing the multiplication, we must know the tables. Okay, 6 sevens are 42. Now 2 will remain here. 4 is carried over to tens column. Now 7 fives are, yes, 35. 35 plus 4, that is nothing but 39. 9 will remain in tens column and 3 is carried over to hundreds column. Now 7 threes are 21 plus 3, that is 24. 4 will remain here and 2 is carried over to thousands column. And let us write 2 here. Okay, because nothing is there. Now we got the answer. Yes, if in 1 hectare we can plant 356 trees, then we can plant 2492 trees in 7 hectares. See here how to write the answer. The total number of trees can be planted on 7 hectares will be 2492. Got this? Very good. One more sum. A bus travels a distance of 25 km on 1 liter of petrol. How many kilometers will it travel on 40 liters? Yes, in 1 liter it will travel 25 km. It will cover 25 km. Now the bus is filled with 40 liters of petrol. Then how much it will travel? Okay, we will see here. Yes, you know that this is also a multiplication sum. Here we are going to multiply 25 by 40. Correct? Now we will start with unit place. 0 into 5, 0. You know that any number multiplied by 0 is nothing but 0. 0 multiplied by 2, 0. No work, nothing here. Okay. Now we will move to tens place. So first we will write 0 in the unit place. Now 5 fours are 20. Isn't it? Okay. Now 2 will move to, where it will move? It will move to hundreds place. 2 is carried over to hundreds place. Here nothing is there, so I kept this blank. Okay. Now we are multiplying this 25 by 4 tens. So I am using this row, upper row. Okay, now 4 twos are 8 plus 2, that is 10. So 1 is carried over to thousands place, right? Now here we can write 1 here because nothing is there, right? Plus 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Here also 0, here 1. Yes, we got the answer, correct? If this bus travels 25 km in 1 liter, then bus will travel 1000 km on 40 liters of petrol. Got this? Yes. I hope you understood the multiplication, right? By using the vertical method. Now, dear children, this is from your textbook. Okay? Page number 76. Now, we will go for this. 7 sevens are. Same table we can see here. 7 sevens are. Yes. 49. Isn't it? So, 9 we will write here and 4 is carried over to the tens column. It is a 21. 21 plus 4, that is 25. So 5 will remain here and 2 is carried over to hundreds place. Now we will write 2 down. Now this is over. Now we will multiply 37 by 2 tens. So we will put 0 here first. Okay. Now 2 sevens are. 2 sevens are 14. 4 I will write here. 1 is carried over to hundreds place. 3 twos are 6 plus 1, that is 7. Correct? Now we are going to add these two numbers. 9 plus 0, that is 9. 5 plus 4, that is 9. 2 plus 7, that is 9. Isn't it? 999. Okay, we will move to second one. Here also 7 twos are 14. 4 we will write here, 1 is carried over. 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 13. 3 we will write here, 1 is carried over to hundreds place and 1 we will write down. Now, here we will put 0. Why? Because we are going to multiply 67 by 9 tenths. So, in unit place we will put 0. 9 sevens are 63, isn't it? So, 3 we will write here and 6 will be carried over to hundreds place. Okay. Then 9 6 are how much? 54 plus 6, that is nothing but 60. Right? So 0 we will write here and 6 is carried over to thousands place. Now we will write 6 down. Now we are going to add these two numbers. 4 plus 0, that is 4. 3 plus 3, that is 6. 1 plus 0, 1, 6. Correct? Now the answer is 6164. Right? Yes, dear children. Here 2 more sums and again 2 more sums are there. Means 4 sums are there. These sums you have to do. You know how to do. Correct? Now please try. You can try this in your textbook also by using the pencil. Okay? On page number 77, some problem sums are also there. Please go through them and try to get the answer.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.